Hi, this is Kathy Garcia. This is my understanding, summarizing of the process and purpose of reading, the role of morphology and contextual analysis in vocabulary development, evidence-based practices for teaching phonemic awareness to English learners, using English learners' home language to support phonics development, components of effective comprehension, and evidence-based best practice to improve comprehension for English learners. The process and purpose of reading, it involves decoding symbols, letters, and words to derive meaning. The purpose of reading includes gaining information, enhancing vocabulary, developing critical thinking skills, and fostering imagination. When a student becomes a skilled reading, they're able to decode. That leads to fluency, improve their vocabulary, add to their vocabulary, and it ends with comprehension. The role of morphology and contextual analysis in vocabulary development is morphology is the understanding of structure of words, root words, prefixes, and suffixes. They're able to understand how those prefixes and suffixes can change the meaning of a word. Contextual analysis, using surrounding words and sentences to understand the meaning of an unfamiliar word. If you're not sure about what the word means, they're able to use context clues within the sentence, within the paragraph, to be able to understand what that unfamiliar word means. Evidence-based practices for teaching phonemic awareness to English learners. We have to do explicit instructions in phonemes, which is individual sounds, and there should be able to connect those correct letters to the letter sound. Then once they master that, they would be able to go into phonological awareness activities. They're able to understand what rhyming is, segmenting and blending. Multisensory approaches such as tapping out sounds or using visual clues, connecting phonemic awareness to learners' existing language skills. A lot of repetition, scaffolding, and differentiated instruction is required for an English language learner to meet the goal. Using an English learner's home language to support phonics development. Recognizing similarities between the home language and English. I tend to, since I speak two languages and my English language learners are Spanish, I tend to also explain what I just read in Spanish. So I help translate. They also have been given a Spanish-English dictionary. They are also provided with a translator application on their iPad. So that encouraging literacy development in the home language, which strengthens overall reading skills. Components of effective comprehension. That means well-developed language. They understand the vocabulary. Their grammar is good. The sentence structure is clear and understanding. Higher order thinking skills. They're able to analyze, synthesize, inference, and evaluate. Self-correction strategies, monitoring comprehension, rereading, and adjusting strategies to improve understanding. An evidence-based best practice to improve comprehension for English learners' language. Structured literacy approach with explicit instruction in phonics, vocabulary, and comprehension. A lot of use of graphic organizers, visual supports, sentence stems, sentence frames, direct instruction, scaffolding, and an opportunity for the student to provide an answer orally in their language, in their native language. And that is all. Thank you.